Everything you touch, see, and feel in this world is fundamentally composed of tiny particles, the building blocks of physical reality. And yet, when we consider our own being, the concept of you transcends mere particulate matter. You are not simply the sum of your physical components. Think about it. You are constantly shedding atoms, a continuous process of renewal and change at the cellular level. Your brain, the very seat of your thoughts and memories, is perpetually rewiring itself, forming new connections and pruning old ones. Your entire body undergoes a remarkable transformation, dissolving and rebuilding itself over time, a continuous cycle of biological renewal. Despite this constant physical flux, your fundamental sense of I remains steadfast. It does not reset with each cellular turnover. This profound observation leads us to the most crucial question. If your identity is not rooted in transient matter, then what exactly are you? Let's delve deeper into this mystery, beginning with the understanding that matter is not the foundation of your true identity. Consider your physical form. The body you inhabit today is not the same body you possessed 7 years ago. Every single cell has been replaced, every particle exchanged, yet you remain undeniably you. This continuity of self persists despite the complete turnover of your physical components. You didn't change owners, your essence endured. The reason for this lies in a fundamental truth. The continuity of self is not, and cannot be, the continuity of atoms. Your identity cannot be constructed from something that is constantly dying, decaying, and being reborn. Matter, by its very nature, is temporary, subject to the relentless forces of change and entropy. The self, however, exhibits a quality of permanence, a steadfast presence that transcends the fleeting nature of the physical. This brings us to a crucial distinction. Consciousness is not merely a byproduct or a function of physical matter. Neuroscience, with all its advanced tools, observes electrical signals firing within the brain, mapping complex neural pathways. Physics delves into the quantum realm, revealing the intricate dance of subatomic particles and quantum fields. Biology meticulously examines proteins and DNA, unraveling the genetic code and the mechanisms of life. Yet, despite these profound scientific explorations, none have ever definitively located a self-particle, a soul atom, or a consciousness molecule. The reason for this absence is profound. The self is not merely in the body as an object contained within another. Instead, the body exists within the vast expanse of the self's awareness, a vessel experienced by consciousness. You do not merely possess consciousness as a faculty, rather, you are consciousness itself, experiencing the world through a physical form. This shifts our perspective entirely, moving beyond the material to understand our true nature. So, if we are not matter, if consciousness is not a product of the physical, then what exactly are we? Let's construct a clearer answer by systematically dismantling common misconceptions about identity. You are not merely atoms, for as we've established, they are constantly being replaced, a continuous flow of transient elements. You are not solely your brain, which functions more as an intricate interface, processing information and mediating experience. You are not simply your memory, as memories are fluid, changing, and often fade over time, subject to reinterpretation. You are not your thoughts, for they are fleeting, arising, and dissipating like clouds in the sky, constantly coming and going. Instead, you are the silent, unchanging witness behind all of these phenomena, the observer of your own experience. And a witness, by its very definition, is not physical. It transcends the material realm. Your true essence is not a substance that can be measured or weighed. It is pure awareness, the fundamental ground of being. This profound understanding is echoed in ancient spiritual texts, offering a timeless perspective on the soul. When the Qur'an describes the nature of the soul, it consistently avoids using any physical or material language. Instead, it states that the soul is created from AMR, a divine command, a decree, an act of pure will. The sacred text explicitly states, they ask you about the soul. Say, the soul is from the command of my Lord. It is not fashioned from clay, nor from atoms, nor from any form of energy that we can perceive or measure. It is a direct command, an instantaneous act of creation that transcends the physical laws of the universe. While the body is meticulously fashioned from the earth, the self is not built, it is breathed into existence. As the Qur'an further reveals, He breathed into them from His Spirit. This spiritual infusion signifies a direct connection to the divine, a spark of the eternal within the temporal. So, what then truly are you? You are a divine command, made aware of itself, experiencing the universe.